This is a review of the Gaiam 36-inch gray foam roller. Looks like this. Great for massaging and loosening sore muscles, stretching, and even helping to reduce cellulite. So one of the things my physical therapist told me to do is to roll along my spine in a vertical position. So that's the reason why I went with this 36-inch one. So I really like that it's got enough length to do every conceivable use case scenario. So some of the things that I like to do besides rolling out my back are rolling out my thighs. That feels really nice. Of course, rolling out the glutes feels great. You can roll out the calves. And one of the things you can also do as you're rolling is you can go at different angles. You can get the outside, you can get the bottom, you can get the inside. You can even put one leg over the other to get extra weight on it. But ultimately, I couldn't say enough about this. It's been great. It's light, it's portable, it's got the right amount of firmness for my body. There are other foam rollers, for example, ones that are kind of like notched, which can be a little bit more painful, and sometimes that's a good thing. So it might be good to have one of those too. But if you're getting your first foam roller, I'd say based on affordability, portability, and overall functionality, you can't go wrong with the Gaiam 36-inch gray foam roller. I think it's a must-have.